am not asking for the confiscation of guns, in case there's a question about that.
Could you state your name?
But Mr. Goodrow,
Could you state your name, please?
my name is Kay Bodeen, I live here in Sparta. Mr. Goodrow certainly did not include me nor many of my friends when he said, "We all know how the people in Alleghany County feel." Requiring background checks for the purchase of guns is no more intrusive than requiring a database of information on drivers and vehicles. Yet, can you imagine a country in which no cars are registered, no drivers are required to have licenses today? In the wrong hands, a car is a weapon. So let me draw a parallel. As early as 1903, a few states required the purchase of a driver's license, but it was not until years later, after there were so many terrible accidents by unqualified drivers, that they also required an examination to receive the license. When my aunt bought her first car around 1925, there were no laws in North Carolina regulating the use of automobiles. The salesman showed her how to start it, but he didn't show her how to stop it. So she stopped by running under the front porch. There was no amendment to ensure that no driver's rights were infringed, but then of course there were no cars in 1791. There also were no 100-round magazines suitable for mass killings. So how can you say that the Founding Fathers supported a, quote, God-given right to use the current military-style weapons without certain restrictions? Times change, circumstances change. Can you not tolerate some flexibility to deal with those changes? Thank you.
Thank you. Is there anyone else?